Hey, my name's James Nicholson and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's an interesting update from Savills. Now, Savills are saying house prices are going to go up 28% by 2028. We're going to dive into that on what areas are going to be hit most by that, why they think that's going to happen, and what you can do to make sure you make some money along the way. Now, before we jump into this, as always, if you haven't done already, do subscribe to the channel over there and hit the bell notification. We're a smidge away from 23,000 subscribers now. You can see it yourself. We're that close. Go and subscribe and do that right now. And while you're here, smash the like button, tickle the like button, do something to the like button. That will really help with the YouTube algorithm. Everyone that does that will get so much luck this week. It's the lucky button, so go and do that. And it will make sure that the rain doesn't come back. So do that right now. So, Savills, here's what I'm going to ask you to do. If you actually watch this video, you'll know I'm giving you some news from Savills. What's going to happen down below is lots of people are going to comment saying, 1 week you say house prices are up, 1 week you say house prices are down, interest rates are up, interest rates are down. This is sharing with you what's going on in the market. And that's the point of the channel, right? So if someone does comment down there saying, you know what, you just say it's up, you just say it's down, can you comment below saying, did you actually watch the video? If you could do that, that would be awesome. Save me doing it. So, Savills, what are they saying? Well, Savills is a big agent. They've got branches all around the country. And they're saying, on average, house prices, so let's just put who we're talking about. Savills are saying, on average, by 2028, house prices are going to go up 21.6% by 2028 year end, which isn't that far away, 4 years, right? And so there's a reason for that. They feel that the economy is improving. True. When I've recorded this on Friday, you're probably watching this on Saturday, we're officially out of a recession now, right? And so that's true. The unemployment is a little bit touch and go, so that's something to consider. But affordability is much better for mortgages, and they give an example of that. So they're saying in November last year, if you had a 25% deposit, the best rate that you could have got was 5.34%. Today, they're saying that the best rate you can get is 4.5%. That's a big improvement in such a short period of time. And lots of that happened at the beginning of this year, didn't it? So we had the mortgage price war in January and February, kind of stopped a little bit now. But we've got a really good meeting with the Bank of England we've just had. They talked about rates coming down. So potentially we could be on a downward trend again. Sales is another reason for this. So they're saying transactions are going up. They're going to go up from 1.01 million. Let's put all the little zeros in there. Make it easier to read. So they are saying that we're going to have 1.01. And that's what we have in transactions last year. And they're saying that we're going to go up by around 40,000 transactions, which is a fair old amount. There's around 1,000 towns, 40 extra sales per town in a year. That's not insignificant. And so if the sales are going up, it's less likely that you'll see a price war. So what else are they saying? They're saying that initially, if you go back and listen, we did videos on this. They said they felt the market was going to drop 3% in 2024 on an annual basis. They're now saying house prices will go up. Prices up 2.5% up this year, which is improved. Now, that could happen because we've got a fairly flat market so far this year, and we've got interest rates that did improve. That's got some more people into the market. We've got a slower market at the moment while rates have gone up a little bit, but we've got way more positivity from the Bank of England. Go and watch the video I made 2 days ago from the Bank of England, where they're saying in that the market hasn't priced in the expectations for what might actually happen with rate cuts, implying that they might cut more and deeper than the market actually is predicting, which is good news. So Savills have taken that into account. So let's look at some regions, because they're not saying it's going to be the same everywhere. So first off, let's have a look at London. So London, they don't have so much hope for. So in London, they are saying that by 2028, house prices will go up 14.2%. So not so much in London. Let's have a look at Scotland. So in Scotland, they feel house prices have more room to go up, and they feel that they could go up by 25.8%. They are saying in the northeast, they are saying house prices could go up by 25.2%, which is pretty good. They are saying the southeast won't do as well. Southeast, they are saying house prices will go up by 2028 by 18.2%. They are saying in the southwest that house prices will go up by 18.7%. They are saying in Wales, house prices will go up by 26.4%. And Wales has dropped. Wales, we've done a video about that. Wales has been an area where we had some bigger drops more recently, right? So that could mean that there's more opportunity there. People will get back into the market, right? So that's important to look at. Northwest, they are saying the Northwest is where they feel is the hot spot, 28%. And you guys are saying that as well. So when we do house price videos, there's tons of you saying Manchester, Liverpool, these sorts of areas are going up. And in fact, I've seen people that are commenting saying they're selling for more than the asking price. So they are places to watch. What else have we got here? The Midlands, they are saying will go up by 26.4%. Is there any others that we want to feature? Yorkshire, such a big place, is 28.2. So look, this is Savills' opinion. It's not my opinion. They're sharing their data. But it is possible, right? Let's just say interest rates do get slashed. The economy is more stable than people thought. Look, we've just got through a recession. We might go into another one. It could be bigger, it could be deeper. No one knows for sure, right? But look, this stuff could happen. Like, it's 4 years away. So the market could drop a little bit, then start recovering. But yeah, it is possible that this happens. What do you think? Am I crazy? Well, it's not my opinion. Are Savills crazy? Do comment below. And if there's anyone that says, you said it was going to go up last week, you said it was going to go down last week, hey, comment below and say to them, did you actually watch the video? Because he's talking about Savills. That would be awesome if you could do that. Smash the like button, subscribe, go and check out some more content on my channel, including this video right here.